having curiosity about how Sanatana Dharma and Vedas emerged may be a point. But more than that, having concentration on the message of Vedas is the point. It is the main point. They try to have concern about Vedas, try to get the essence of Vedas. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu, the call by Vedas. Let's try to uphold it. Let's try to implement it. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Distribution and equality, distribution and production must have equality. By that only Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu will happen. Long live Sanatana Samyavada Matha.